Hi there, it's Justin with GreenBean IT. I'm going to walk you through installing Outlook on your mobile device. So first, open up your Play Store or App Store, depending on if it's Android or iPhone. Then you're going to search for Outlook. Verify it's the correct Outlook from Microsoft Corporation, and then go ahead and click Install. Once the app is finished installing, go ahead and open it up. Click Get Started, and then go ahead and type in your email address. It will prompt for your password. Go ahead and enter that password and click Sign In. You can click Skip on adding another account and skip through the other tutorials. Next, go into Settings, and you'll want to turn off the focused inbox. And as you can see, mail is synced, and you should be able to see all your emails. If you need further assistance, please contact our office at 972-215-0602. Thank you.